Moving on, Dr. Praveen Soni, a senior pediatrician from Madhya Pradesh, has been arrested in connection with the deaths allegedly linked to Coldriff, a cough syrup. At least 14 deaths have been reported due to the alleged consumption of the cough syrup in Madhya Pradesh's Chindwara, while 8 children have been admitted to a hospital, said an official on Sunday. The Madhya Pradesh government has imposed an immediate ban on the sale of Coldriff along with other products manufactured by the same company. And this after the Health Ministry confirmed that the syrup manufactured by Stresan Pharma contained diethylene glycol, DEG, permissible limits. Now, DEG is a toxic substance used in industrial solvents that, when ingested, can severely affect kidney, liver, and nervous system. Symptoms in children begin with nausea, abdominal pain, and reduced urination. And in severe cases, this progresses rapidly to acute kidney failure, seizures, and death. Now, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Kerala have also issued public alerts banning the syrup. Now, the recent one to join the list is Uttar Pradesh. The Central Drug Standard Control, CDSCO, has launched an investigation and will take action against Stresan Pharmaceuticals in the manufacture of Coldriff cough syrup. Now, in view of recent concerns relating to the quality and administration of cough syrups, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare convened a high-level meeting under the chairmanship of Union Health Secretary with all the states and union territories to review compliance with drug quality norms and promote the rational use of cough syrups, especially in pediatric populations.